Hello guys, my name is Sanjay Barik. Welcome back to my channel Escape English. And today I come with a great speech for 79th Independence Day. Many students and many teachers have confusion that how can they represent themselves in front of the audience on behalf of 79th Independence Day. So I would like to tell you how can you deliver your speech and what are the phrases and what are the sentences you have to use and to represent yourself on behalf of Independence Day. Guys, let's start our English speech. Respected judges, my dear teachers, and all my loving Indian brothers and sisters. My name is Sanjay Barik, and today I want to represent something about my motherland, India. Guys, you know, today is the very auspicious day for us, and we all are gathered here. So, before starting my speech, I would like to wish you all a happy Independence Day. Guys, you know, before 200 years ago, India was ruled by British government and Britishers come to India for the purpose of business and trading. They slowly captured different part of the India and finally they started to rule over us. That time our life was very critical. You know that they were torturing us, hitting us, beating us and shooting us in their gun. If somebody open their mouth, they shoot to them with their gun. I would like to tell you that time we don't have and freedom to speak, freedom to sleep, freedom to drink and freedom to bath also. That time a pinch of salt, glass of water and piece of roti was dream for all Indians. But it could not tolerated by our freedom heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Tantiya Tope, Jairaj Guru, Lakshman Naik and Veer Savarkar and so many other freedom fighters like Baji Raut, Birsa Munda, Jairaj Guru, all fight together and to bring back the freedom for our country. Finally, guys, you know Gandhiji played many moments in India like Quit India movement and non-cooperation movement, Satyagraha, Saltag, etc. Finally, Britishers become weak and left India and we got independence on 15 August 1947. Since that day, we have been observing the Independence Day every part of the India. This is the very precious day for us because this day gives us opportunity to think about our freedom fighters, think about our freedom struggles, think about our past days and think about our countrymen and our national symbols as well as our constitution. So I would like to tell you that this is the time for us. We all should work together and love our country, love our countrymen and save our country and save our countrymen because you know guys why? Our enemies like Pakistan, China and Bangladesh, even America become jealous on us. And they are trying to down the India, they are trying to decrease our economics. So I would like to tell you that this is the time we all Indians should work together and fight with our enemies to bring back the freedom for our nation. Guys, you know, many incidents happen in India like Pulwama attack and Pahalgam attacks and Mumbai attacks because why? And Pakistan want to destroy our country. Pakistan want to decrease our country and they are our enemies. So if we do not united ourselves, then we cannot improve our country, we cannot save our motherland. So guys, please, this is my humble request to all Indian brothers and sisters, love our country, love our countrymen, love India, love Indian and try to maintain happiness in among all the Indian brothers and sisters and try to help each other so that we can save our constitution, save our freedom, we can save our motherland India so that we can maintain happiest life. Thank you guys. Thanks for supporting me. Have a good day.